Latin scale design. The question is, the following table shows the field layout and yield of a 5 multiplied by 5 Latin scale experiment on the effect on yield of plants. 5 levels of spacing were used. The data on yield was recorded and is given below. The data of yield is equal to 257, 230, to 79 and up to so on to 66, 334 and 338. We use the command control plus enter and run this code. Then we run the commands of rows and columns. We have 5 rows and 5 columns in the data set and 5 treatments in the data set, and each row have different sequence of treatments. In first row B, E, A, C, D, and in second row B, A, E, B, C. The sequence of treatment is different in rows and columns. Then we create data frame and use the data.frame command. We run this code and the data frame is shown. All the values are shown in data frame. Then we use to run the library ggplot2 for create the box plot of this model. We write the code p15 is equal to ggplot, use the data is equal to df and mapping is equal to aes, x is equal to treatment and y is equal to yield, and write the code. And in show the x-axis is treatment and in show the y-axis as a field. We run this code and show the box plot of treatment and yield. Then we run the code and show the summary of this model. Use the lm function. Fit.model and summary of this model is shown. Show the value of intercept row 2, 3, 4, 5 and same column 2, 3, 4 and 5 and treatment B, C, D and E. Then we create the ANOVA table. Use the ANOVA command. The ANOVA table, in ANOVA table show the row, column, treatment and residuals. The degree of freedom of row is 4, the degree of freedom of column is 4, the treatment of degree of freedom is 4, the residual of the degree of freedom of residual is 12. The F value is 1.7342 and the P value is 0.2071, 0.3083 for column and 0.3973 for treatment. The P value of this model is greater than the level of significance, so the results are statistically non-significant.